Hello students, this is part 2 video of chemical properties of nonmetals. Now we are going to discuss reactions of nonmetals with acids. First of all, we should know that nonmetals do not react with dilute acid. They only react with concentrate acids. When nonmetals are heated with concentrate sulfuric acids or nitric acid, they undergo in oxidation and forms their oxides. You can see here, yes, this is sulfur plus 2H2SO4. This is concentrate sulfuric acid. So it will form sulfur dioxide. You can see sulfur is oxidized because oxygen is added to the sulfur and 2H2O. So this is the reaction of nonmetals with sulfuric acid. One more, HNO3 nitric acid. So it will form H2SO4 nitrogen dioxide and water. We will balance the reaction. It is six H2 yes 4 6 2 ja 12 12 to 14 4 18 6 3 ja 18. So this is the valence reaction. You can see here it is sulfur. When it react with concentrate nitric acid, it forms sulfuric acid, nitrogen dioxide. You can see here nitrogen is oxidized, nitrogen dioxide and 2H2O. So this is the reaction of non-metals with sulfuric acid and nitric acid. These are concentrate acids. Now we will discuss reaction with hydrogen. Reaction with hydrogen means reactions of non-metals with hydrogen. Non-metals combine with hydrogen and form covalent hydrides. Non-metals combine with hydrogen when they react with hydrogen and forms their hydrides. For example, when hydrogen, this is hydrogen gas, when react with sulfur, this forms H2S means hydrogen sulfide. This is hydrogen sulfide. So you can see hydrogen combines with sulfur and forms hydrogen sulfide. This is the hydride of hydrogen and sulfur. Again, nitrogen combine with hydrogen and form ammonia NH3, and this reaction is reversible reaction. So 2NH3 This is reversible reaction. Means nitrogen and hydrogen forms ammonia, and when ammonia is decomposed, it forms hydrogen and nitrogen. So this is reversible reaction of nitrogen and hydrogen. Now we will compare the characteristics of non-metals and metals, or we will compare the chemical properties of metals and non-metals. So on the basis of different characteristics, we will discuss their difference. First, this is property here, metals and non-metals. First we will consider nature of oxides. In respect of natures of oxide, the oxides of metals are basic. So the oxides of metals are basic, and the oxides of non-metals are acidic. Second, we will discuss reaction with dilute acids. So I have told you earlier in chemical properties of metals that metals evolve hydrogen when they react with dilute acids, and non-metals do not react with dilute acids. So they evolve hydrogen gas, and non-metals do not react. Third, oxidizing and reducing agent. So in this property, metals have tendency to gain electron, so they act as reducing agent. So metals are reducing agent, and non-metals are oxidizing agents. Reducing agent itself oxidizes. The metal or the element which oxidizes is known as reducing agent, and the element which reduced is known as oxidizing agent. And fourth one, electrochemical behavior. As I have told you that metals are electropositive in nature. So these are electropositive. And non-metals are electronegative. So today we discussed the chemical properties of non-metals and the difference of properties between metals and non-metals. That's all. Thank you.